Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Garrison Dental Solutions, and I have another tip for you today on getting the most out of your wedges when you're doing a Class 2 composite. What I want to tell you right now is some simple modifications that you can make to make your wedges fit a little bit better in certain circumstances. So on your screen here, I've got a modified strategy wedge, and this is the original shape here. What I have prepped here on the Typodont is right in here, there is just a bit of a root concavity on number 3 here, right down in the center. And by modifying the wedge a little bit, I can make it fit much better. So with the fatter part of the wedge here might actually interfere from the ability of the center of the wedge to close that concavity off, to hold that matrix band against the tooth. So if you notice that you have a root concavity, you can take just your rotary instrumentation. I just took a diamond burr and in about 3 seconds here, just trimmed the sides a little bit and left a wider area in there so that when I insert the wedge, that wider area is going to sit right in there where that concavity is and give me a better seal on my matrix band. So less likely that I'm going to get an overhang, and certainly less likely that I'll get any curvicular fluid seepage or blood or anything that is going to cause an issue with my bonding.